vibe that we find in Brussels. We are a family of 6 plus a cat. We are a Parisian family, and that's a big move because my husband accepted a job in Brussels 2 years ago, and we decided to follow him. Here in a maison maître, what we like a lot, you have high ceilings, and that helps. Like you see the perspective much more. Here you have more light than what we used to have in Paris. The space is designed very well. It's designed like completely to our needs. We love it. We find it beautiful to our standards.
So this is a very big family house. So we had to think about the way the family is going to interact with the house. In order to be able to be tidy, everything has its place.
Honestly, the kitchen was really a big part. So when we were discussing the project with Isabel, I told her, I want a wow kitchen. So and she managed to translate the wow into something that's really amazing, and I'm really happy with. We spend a lot of time there. I'm cooking, but I can see the living room. If someone wants to do like their homework on the bar, they can do so while I'm cooking as well. I have space to store, all of my 30 oils and vinegars and everything. So that works very well. At the same time, practical, but beautiful, which I like.
I always say design is connected to people. We are doing a human work. It's not just about beautiful. It has to be functional, but especially what I like to hear the most when we deliver a project is like the client, they feel at home. They feel like everything has been made for them, and also they get very easily used to the new, because this family was moving from Paris. The kids, they have also a pet, they have a cat. And it's a lot. I can imagine in their heads, it's like we have to move a whole life from a different city, a different country to a new country and a new space. And for me, it was very important to hear from the clients' perspective that they feel really at home immediately.
So Isabel is a very, very good listener. So she listens to what we want. She starts by listening to us, by trying to see who we are as a family, what we like, what we don't like as well. We like to travel a lot. We've been traveling a lot with my husband, even before having the kids. And each time we travel, we like to bring back from our travels memories. It could be a small object, it could be a frame, it could be a big sculpture. So it depends as well. And we did it space also to show all of our collections. That was also part of the bespoken furniture, making sure we have a space for a mask that we love, that we brought back from Namibia, which is huge. In terms of what we wanted, given the time constraints that we had, which meant also that we didn't have years and months, to spend on this renovation, we wanted everyone to have their own space. And really reflecting their personalities. We wanted to have a family room, which is also a music room. All of the kids are playing an instrument. My daughter is playing piano, my second son is playing cello, and then the twins are playing viola, which is a baroque instrument, and violin. So we needed a lot of space also to store the instruments. So we have like a specific cupboard for the cello case, which is huge. Like that was done, that was bespoke. We can put the instruments there. We can also show the instruments because I think they are really beautiful. Isabel has a really nice way of asking everyone, asking the kids, and be part of the discussion as well. So we involve them as well.
It was very funny because at the beginning of the project, we always questioned the kids also, and the parents play the game, so we sent them a style quiz, and we said, what would you like in a dream room if you want to choose? And then we put a list of things. So you would like a star ceiling, you would like a climbing wall, you would like a passage secret, you would like a rope to go down, and they say yes to everything. So this was very funny because we had to do everything because they asked for. The most important thing here was that the client follow our vision.
On the other hand, we also help them guide their choice a little bit. Like sometimes, like in the choice of the wallpapers, we were also thinking a bit forward. So at the end of the day, we want them also to be independent. That's good for them, and teach them to be independent, like to make their own thinking. Lots of arts that comes from our travels, our trips as well, but also you have some more modern things as well in the house. So wallpapers, you have that. You have also what we love, so in front of our bed, not behind, we put in front so we could see it. So you have a wallpaper representing Townhouse Studio. In the family room, you also have a wallpaper that we chose, which is representing an island in Brittany, French west coast, so called like Bréa, Ile de Bréa, and that's from Isidore Leroy. So it was a mix. Half of them were chosen by me, half of them by Isabel.
I am very proud of this house because the use of color, I think, is quite nice. I really like color, and still, I don't know, it's like, again, you open the door, you enter the house, you see the family, and it's like the house fits the family, and the family fits the house. And for me, this is the magic of good design. Making so natural is like it belongs to them.